up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So you know I love me a good DIY, and I love to wear nails when I can, but you know I do hair, so it's hard for me to wear long nails like I used to. So I bought this extension kit from Amazon. This is by Makartt. Okay, so the extension kit comes with clear gel, white gel, and a whole bunch of different pinks. A poly gel. It comes with a brush. It comes with nail forms. I bought extra clear poly gel because I like my nails long, and that little tube wasn't gonna cut it. And it comes with base and top coat. And I bought 2 sets of their gel polishes. Okay, so it also comes with a file. I've used this kit before, so I don't know what a file is, so I'm using a different one. So I'm lightly buffing my nail beds because I want my nails to stick on, but I don't want them to stick on too long, and my nail beds are so healthy right now, so I don't really want to damage them. So that's why I'm doing it lightly. Okay, so when you do it lightly, your nails will typically last for a week or 2 weeks, okay, before they start popping off or breaking or whatever like that. So I'm just letting you guys know that because a lot of you guys will ask me what's the longevity of this, and because I don't, you know, file down my nail beds super harshly or a lot, mine don't last long, but it doesn't matter for me because I usually, you know, take them off anyway because I do hair. So I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher and I'm gonna push back my cuticles and remove whatever cuticle is left on the nail bed so I can start applying the poly gel. So these are my nail forms, and these are reusable, so this is like cost efficient. This tutorial is just gonna be like super easy DIY at home. You don't need a nail drill to do these, or get some bomb nails. Okay, so with the liquid that's in that little clear jar is alcohol, 91% alcohol, and I'm just gonna take one of the nail forms. I'm gonna put a little bit of the poly gel in there, and this is what the brush looks like. I'm gonna dab some of the alcohol in there, and I am just going to press the poly gel into the nail form. I'm not going to swipe it yet. I'm just going to mold it into the actual nail forms, and I'm going to make sure I get the side walls and everything like that. I'm making sure that it's all over this particular nail form because I'm going to put it on my nail. So after I have it molded in there, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol on it. Not too much, because if you put too much, it's going to become real slippery, and the product is going to be real it's gonna move around a lot, and that's not what you want. So you want to move it around, and then you want to smooth it. That's when I start swiping it back up and down. And so you want to take your nail and you want to push it onto your natural nail. Boom, real easy. You want to remove any excess poly gel that came from the side, so that's what I'm doing, removing anything that comes out from the side, my side walls. And I'm gonna take my brush with a little bit of alcohol, and I am going to rub underneath, because when you put your nail on, the poly gel that goes where your natural nail is going to smush a little bit down, so you want to smooth it out. And then you cure it for about 30 to 60 seconds. It just depends on what kind of lamp you have. And I'm going to do that for my entire hand. So I'm going to take the poly gel and put it into the nail. And I'm going to take my brush with a little bit of alcohol and form the poly gel to the nail shape, okay? Again, you want to make sure that you get the sidewalls. You want to make sure you get it up to the cuticle. You want to make sure you get it down to the edge or wherever you want to stop your nails. I like long nails, so I'm doing the entire form, okay? And the poly gel will not cure until you put it in the lamp. So you have time to maneuver and to perfect how your nail is going to come out and look. The better application you do, the less fouling that you'll have to do after you do all of this. So again, after I make sure that it's looking how I want to, I'm gonna press it into my nail bed, and then I am going to remove the excessive poly gel that comes out from the side, and I'm gonna hold down the cuticle area just so it won't like lift up, and I'm gonna take my brush and wipe it underneath. And this is what my nails look like after I cure it. So after all my nail forms are on and they're cured, I am going to peel off the plastic of nail forms, and boom, like, it's just so nice. So what I found, that like at the edge of the nail forms, there's like a little, like, I just like to cut that piece off because it's just going to take a long time to file. So it's like a little thick edge right there. So I like to just cut it off real quick. So I need to buy some new clippers or bigger clippers to do this. But these little ones did just fine. So basically just cutting the tips off a little bit. And then I'm going to go in and file my nails to my shape and liking. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I did go ahead and put on my base layer. Now, normally I would leave my nails like this because I actually like the little clear nails. But I'm going to just go ahead and use a gel polish from OPI. This is called Samoan Sand, and I love this color and polish. So I went to my nail supply store downtown LA, and I purchased some more gel polishes, my favorite colors. And I am just going to do 3 layers of this color just to make it a little bit opaque. I do like nude nails. So sometimes, once in a while, you might find me wearing really colorful nails, but other than that, you'll just see me with nude nails. So 3 layers of this gel polish. In between each layer, I am going to cure my polish for 60 seconds, then do another coat, cure it, then do another coat. And after I cure it all, I am going to go in with my top coat from Makartt, and I am going to do 1 layer of the top coat, and that is it, best friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a easy DIY. You do not need a drill. You do not need professional equipment, girl. You can do this at home. And if you're like me and you're tired of going to the nail shop and just having to wait, or to having to spend excessive money to get some long nails, or they just not doing your nails the way you want them, and you go in there with a vision of your nails looking a certain way, and you leave out and they just messy looking, like, do it yourself, okay? Yes, I will leave all the links to everything that I use down below, except the OPI polishes. If I cannot find them online, I will put similar polishes next to these colors that I'm using, and I will link everything from Makartt that I used. Alright, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the description box, and I will be back with another video, best friend. Yes. Oh, and let me know, would you wear these nails? Would you do your nails like this? Because, girl, my hands look nice right now. Yes, you hear them? They still on. They still on. In this video, I recorded this 4 days ago. So, hey.